Kublai phi baru kini gilong ki khubor bam dagasngi. Ka 108 Emri Employees Union kala kentu ka sarkar Meghalaya lingba katnat Health and Family Welfare banchim tino ya ka jing shakri 108 Ambulance Service knang ban pentikna ba ka jing shakri pat ba kanyai peteng khan jing penthut bat ba kinong trei kinyo jingya da hakakam. Habakran shakilat pathai khubor hashilong press club kinong elam ka union kentup ya ka secretary kong Pamela Kharbani but president ba Roy Par Khar Sawai kilapan pau ka jing smokia halor ka lawe jing 108 emergency response service na marka contract jing ka company ka bapnya tikani ka jing shakri kala jan kun ka kong Pamela kala ong ba ka union kala dep IT da ka jing tho shaka mission director jing ka National Health Mission NHM bad shakatnat health ban kerpat ya ka sarkar jala bakan shimtino ya ka project kalau ong bakani kanong kalat banyada ya ka kam jinginong trei khamtam kibla shakri labun snam ban pentikna ba ka jing yarap kerki ya ki pat ba kam shakta ba Roy Par ula ong ba ka 108 emergency service kala ai jing shakri ki pat ba Meghalaya la kum bakhat plus nementa ha ki por jungi jingja accident jingyo pangken san bat ki ki jingja badan kam jing yarap kerki ulong bakinu kinu ki jing penkala ha kro kompanya ya kini ki jing shakri kim ban kata ya kinong trei bamenta ka union kala dawaru ba ka sarkar kan pentikna ya ka job security ka jingyo tulap ha ka por ka babiang ka health insurance accident insurance bat ki jingyo jing mentoy ki bari hok banyo da kinong trei ki nong elam ka union kila ong baladawan ka company bathamai ka sarkar ka ban pentikna ba omdan kanu ka jing du kam ne jing du nong ya kinong trei kala banram ba kajing shakri 108 kadi ka wayne kajing shakri pat ba ki ba kong santam ha ka jilla bat kam day ban sha penrit ne sha pendu bor ka union kala penpau kajing kerman ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kan shimkya ya gani kamat bat kan wat ya kalat ka bapaka khnang ba ki pat ba habaro ka jilla kin yo ya kajing yarap kerke limba ka 108 ambulance service
miru miru kita di contoy dengan kata-kata let's say bahwa pernah kasar kata berulang sini akan juga kita kijing itu kita katukan ini poin semua membatai buka ka salary dari ini ka time scale of pay dengan tulis ini kembali mengamat salary shall be paid to the employees in the time scale of pay as being given to government employees as per the government pay commission. Dan tadi ki allowance, all allowances being paid to all government employees shall also be paid to the employees of 108, IDA, HRA, special allowance, etc. Besides this allowance are also be paid as employees as they work on the high risk of their lives. Nanti medical entitlement. Survival benefits, disability benefits, health insurance, accidental insurance, life insurance, medical reimbursement. Kita nimio benefits ini. Tangka health insurance nimio, isu tangka nika, tangka tika. Dulu pengawalan ini. Nanti di leave rules. Government leave rules shall be made applicable to the employees as being given to all other government employees as recommended by each government pay commission, including leave and encashment when employees still have leave at grade. Paid holidays shall be entitled to the employees. Mungkin kita napa misalnya ini jadi kalau experience di pan promotion no. Promotion kun jadi advance paramedic, emergency medical technician, pilots, emergency response officers, as trainers and as supervisors rank or as team leaders. Kata promotion. Nanti job security and transfer. Job security, existing employees should be reinstated directly by the government entity that takes over this service. Transfer should be done district-wise or geographical area and knowledge of language and on request of staff for a genuine reason. Can you transfer ni kwa ba industry wise ibri na area kamtip ia ketuka ka geographical knowledge mo kamtip ia ketuka ya kajaka ini dengan industry wise lani idol ketuka ni bede lagadon kan berbagai request dan yo dari genuine reason emergency service in the state of Meghalaya. Respected Sir Madam with reference to the subject cited above, we the workers voluntary emergency service in the state under the umbrella of Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union would like to place our request to the government to kindly consider our service for reorganization and also register our highly protest of re-tendering this essential service to the company. This service is currently running for 18 years, started since 2008, and it has been considered as a topmost essential service and that address the needs of people in times of emergency. It is high time for the government to improve the service rather than planning for retendering to the private company after the bad performance by the GK company, and that was tended to run the service. It was compelled the staff and the citizens to register protests in the past, and it had affected the emergency response to people, especially those who met with an accident. Therefore, for the interest of the people and also the staffs working in these people, we are kindly urge the state government to put an end of retendering this essential service and take into consideration the regularization service of the staff. We have our following points to make a stand for our demand.